Omnilux Contour products are medical-grade, gold-standard light therapy products that give incredible results to your skin and can be used in the comfort of your own home. Contour products are FDA-cleared home-use devices that use light-emitting diodes to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and help improve overall skin tone and health. Omnilux Contour is the only home-use LED device based on the gold-standard professional Omnilux light therapy system and has been clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin tone and smoothness, and enhance your overall skin health. The products are flexible, portable, and easy to use. Omnilux Contour uses optimized doses of red and infrared light to supercharge your body's own natural cellular healing response and reverse the visible signs of aging. Here's how the wavelengths work. The red wavelength reduces inflammation, reduces pigmentation, and calms redness. It helps prompt cellular repair and circulation and will leave you with a more vibrant complexion. The near-infrared wavelength targets deeper fibroblast cells, and these will stimulate new collagen and elastin. This will leave your skin plumper, firmer, and more youthful looking. Omnilux light therapy is very safe with no adverse side effects, no pain, and no downtime. Omnilux Contour generates no heat and is safe for all skin types. It's compatible with most skincare routines, and it can also be used in conjunction with other professional skin treatments, such as microneedling, peels, microdermabrasion, laser treatments, injections, or fillers to optimize results. For best results, we recommend using a course of treatments, 3 to 5 10-minute sessions at home per week for 4 to 6 weeks. After this, use as desired for maintenance. If you would like more information on the Omnilux Contour, please visit our website and click on Advice.